If you're looking to use TeamGate CRM on mobile, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to navigate TeamGate CRM on your phone, ensuring you stay connected with your leads and business opportunities no matter where you are. Stick around to the end, because we're also sharing a special bonus that you'll want to check out, an exclusive free trial for TeamGate and a competitive alternative that might just be a better fit for your needs. So, let's dive in. First, when you open TeamGate CRM on your mobile, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. The app is designed to offer the same core functionality as the desktop version, but in a way that's optimized for mobile use. You can access your leads, deals, and contacts all from one screen, making it easy to keep track of your sales pipeline on the go. Next thing, managing your contacts is straightforward. When you tap on the Contacts tab, you can view all your customer profiles, add new contacts, and even make calls directly from the app. You'll also notice that you can categorize contacts based on their status in the sales funnel, so you always know who needs attention next. The third thing, let's talk about tracking deals. With TeamGate CRM on mobile, you can view your active deals and update their status in real time. Simply swipe through your pipeline, and you can change a deal stage with a couple of taps. This allows you to stay on top of your sales without needing to be at your desk. The fourth thing is the task management feature. You can set reminders, create to-do lists, and mark tasks as completed directly in the mobile app. If you're managing multiple clients or sales opportunities at once, this feature helps you prioritize and ensures you never miss a follow-up. Now, another powerful feature on mobile is the reporting functionality. TeamGate CRM offers mobile users access to sales reports, so you can view performance metrics while you're out of the office. Whether you're looking at daily sales progress or monthly trends, you can analyze your data from anywhere, keeping you in control at all times. But what if you're looking for something more than what TeamGate CRM offers? The app is great for smaller teams and individual salespeople, but it can be a bit limiting if you need advanced integrations or more robust automation features. While TeamGate does allow for integrations with other software, its capabilities may not stack up against some of the competition, especially when it comes to more complex workflows. So, what's the best alternative if you need something with more features or flexibility? We'll get into that in just a minute, but before we do, I want to remind you that through our link, you get access to an exclusive extended free trial of TeamGate CRM, giving you extra time to explore the platform risk-free. Now, if you're looking for a more feature-packed CRM that works just as well on mobile, we've got a great alternative for you. This competitor not only offers better integrations with third-party apps, but it also supports deeper automation, which can save your team tons of time. The mobile app is just as intuitive, if not more so, with an even smoother user experience and better reporting tools. And yes, it comes with a free trial as well. So, in conclusion, TeamGate CRM is a solid choice for those who need a simple CRM to manage their leads and deals on the go. But if you need something more advanced, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best deals on a competitor that might better suit your needs, along with their own extended free trial.